So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test question part 1, Data Science for Engineers. In this video, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question first. Which of the following variable names is valid in R? So these are the option 1 underscore variable variable at the rate underscore variable variable underscore 1. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, variable underscore 1. Now let's go to our question 2. The command ls in R is used to. So these are the option display working directory, list all objects in memory, delete variables, set new working directory. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, list all objects in memory. Now let's go to our question 3. In R, what will patient underscore list 3 to return if patient underscore list is a nested list containing names? So these are the option Sham, Ram, Haris, error. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, Haris. Now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following is not a valid output type in R? So these are the option integer, double, string, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, none of the above. Now let's go to our fifth question. The library reshape 2 in R mainly provides the functions. So these are the options pivot and join, melt and cast, group and bind, split and map. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, melt and cast. Now let's go to our sixth question. The command to add a new column student underscore depth to a data frame student underscore data is. So these are the options and your time starts now. And the answer is A, student underscore data student underscore depth CSIT. So let's go to our question number 7. To check whether an object in R is numeric, we use. So these are the option type of is dot numeric, as dot numeric, check dot numeric. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, is dot numeric. Now let's go to our question number 8. Which of the following will correctly extract the element Tamil from student underscore data? So these are the option and your time starts now. And the answer is B, student underscore data 43. Now let's go to our question number 9. Which operator in R is used for matrix multiplication? So these are the option and your time starts now. And the answer is B, percentile abstract percentile. Now let's go to our question number 10. Which R command creates a sequence from 2 to 10 with steps of 2? So these are the option SEQ 210 range 210 rep 210 SEQ 210 by equal to 1. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, SEQ 210. Now let's go to our question number 11. The set S is equal to 1112 spans. So these are the option R cube, R square, R1, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is R square. Now let's go to our question number 12. In solving AX is equal to B, Gaussian yields one free variable. How many solution exist? So these are the option none, unique, infinity, not determined. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, infinity. Now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following conditions leads to a system with no solution? So these are the option 2a plus b minus 6 equal to 0, a are not equal to 4, 2a plus b minus 6 equal to 0, a equal to 4, b equal to minus 2, 2a plus b minus 6 are not equal to 0. So your time starts now. And the answer is D. 2a plus b minus 6 are not equal to 0. Now let's go to our question number 14. For a system to have a unique solution, which must be true? So these are the option 2a plus b minus 6 equal to 0, a are not equal to 4, 2a plus b minus 6 are not equal to 0, a equal to 4, b equal to minus 2, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. A are not equal to 4. 2a plus b minus 6 are not equal to 0. Now let's go to our question number 15. The determinant of a diagonal matrix equals. So these are the option 1. Product of diagonal entries. Sum of diagonal entries always 0. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Product of diagonal entries. Now let's go to our question number 16. If one row of a matrix is a scalar multiple of another, then determinant is. So these are the option 1, minus 1, 0, non-zero. So your time starts now. And the answer is 0. Now let's go to our question number 17. A 3 into 3 matrix is invertible when. So these are the option DETA are not equal to 0, DETA equal to 0. One row is multiple of another, always invertible. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. DETA are not equal to 0. Now let's go to our question number 18. The eigenvalues of matrix A are. So these are the option 1 minus 3 minus 3, 1 3 minus 3, minus 1 3 3, 1 3 3. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 1 3 minus 3. Now let's go to our question number 19. If eigenvalues of ATA are ABC, then AB plus BC plus CA equals. So these are the options 0 9 18 81. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 18. Now let's go to our question number 20. The rank of a matrix equals. So these are the option number of rows, number of columns, dimension of row, column space, determinant. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, dimension of row, column space. Now let's go to our question number 21. A random variable x is the last digit of a phone number chosen among odd digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, where x. So these are the option 5, 8, 33, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 8. Now let's go to our question number 22. In hypothesis testing, null hypothesis is rejected when. So these are the option P minus value less than alpha, P minus value greater than alpha, P minus value equal to alpha, never. So your time starts now. And the answer is P minus value less than alpha. Now let's go to our question number 23. The value variance of 4x minus 2y plus 6 if where x is equal to 9 and where y equal to 3 is. So these are the option 100, 140, 156, 200. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 156. Now let's go to our question number 24. If of x comma y equal to minus 3.749, variance x is equal to 3, where y equal to 5, correlation coefficient is closest to. So these are the options: minus 0.968, minus 0.854, 0.5611. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, minus 0.854. Now let's go to our question number 25. A sample variance of size n drawn from normal distribution follows. So these are the options: normal distribution, chi-square with NDF, chi-square with n minus 1 df, t distribution. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, chi-square with n minus 1 df. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1, data science for engineers. We will meet in our next video. So thank you friends for watching our video.